There's been a sharp spike in the number of gun deaths here in the United States. A new CDC study finds the increases coincide with the pandemic. Reporter Michael George has one mother's plea.
Not a day goes by that Susan Williams doesn't mourn for her son Ethan, lost to gun violence.
I got a front row seat to an amazing kid for 20 years. But the sorrow and the grief is so big because he's left such a void.
The 20-year-old film student from Indiana flew to Brooklyn with friends in 2020, where he was shot and killed. Police believe he was the mistaken target in a gang shooting. The killer was never caught.
Just too many guns, and they're too easy to access.
A new CDC report shows gun violence is skyrocketing in America. Homicides from guns rose 35% from 2019 to 2020. The largest increase in gun violence victims, young black men. Low-income communities are impacted the most.
The stressors of COVID, both the economic stressors and the emotional stressors, certainly put a lot of additional stress on people's lives and have manifested in increases, in particular on gun homicides.
The new CDC study also looked at firearm suicide rates and found they remained historically high in 2020, with increases in low-income and rural areas. The CDC is prescribing the use of outreach workers who can identify and mediate community conflicts and who offer education about firearm storage. The agency also highlighted the need for housing assistance, child care subsidies, tax credits, livable wages, and more green spaces. Gun control advocates want to see stronger laws.
A lot of the studies that we have done and that others have done have shown that gun safety laws work and they reduce gun deaths.
The CDC says it will continue to deliver data on what many see as a growing public health crisis. Michael George, CBS News, New York.